Hello, welcome to the Kit Bunker. Come on in, take a look around. So the Kit Bunker carries brand new kits from a number of manufacturers, including Takom, Ming, Trumpeter, Academy, Dragon, Italeri, amongst others. The advantage to a pre-owned kit, the advantage here is these kits are usually 40 to 60% less than a brand new kit. I go through each kit, make sure they're complete and have been started, but I carry a bit of everything now.
Takom's new Weasel Mark 2.0, firewall defenders, hatches. I think you're going to enjoy the instruction sheets. They're very well laid out. Just thought I'd shoot a quick little video on how to quickly fix some of these die-cast models. Just building a new Twaya kit that just came out here a few weeks ago. It's their new M18 Hellcat. When we get into the painting of this, I'll show you a nice trick.
This is the Kit Bunker's retail location at the Edmonton Super Flea Market. We're open on the weekends, Saturday and Sundays from 10 till 5. Okay, well, thanks for stopping by and look forward to seeing you again. Thanks.